As you can see, Vancouver, whenever you're walking along the water, it's just one marina after another. So many boats and yachts here. Stay tuned. Today we're going to be getting a car and start to head into the east side of British Columbia. We're going to head to the Okanagan Valley, which is an area famous for stone fruits, cherries, nuts, all kinds of things like that, and vineyards. So we'll be doing a vineyard tour. So stay tuned and you will meet my friend Michelle, and we're going to have a blast in Okanagan. So we're in a slightly hidden provincial park called Kentucky Alleyne because of the lakes. So we started off here in Alleyne Lake. Right by the parking, there's a couple of little dirt spots that you can walk into the lake, but there's no really way to hike around it. But that would be your best bet for a swim. And then here we are looking at the clear waters of Alleyne Park in the Kentucky Alleyne Provincial Park area. You'll see it a bit better from up above, but you get those beautiful ring circles of colors on this lake. And you can see here just how beautiful and clear it is. And yeah, it looks shallow going in, but I ended up having water up to here. So that's fine, I needed to get a refreshment. So this is a spot I chose to take a break. We're about 2/3 into our drive, about an hour left, an hour and a half, and just came here to do a little hike and check out the beautiful lakes. Now in British Columbia, especially when you go towards the Rockies, you'll see more and more lakes with these beautiful shades of green to blue in lakes. It's usually due to different microorganisms or minerals that are in the water. Here it could potentially be because of glacier waters melting. We just explored the Kentucky Lake here. Both are really beautiful. This one is has a trail all around and more camping sites, and it's just really beautiful. It's worth the little detour off the highway. Isn't that amazing? Look to the right. We're high enough that there's snow at our level in June. Wow. It is absolutely incredible. I'm sure on camera you don't get the real perspective I am with my eyes. So what's the name of the lake?
Kalamalka.
Kalamalka.
We just call it Cal Lake. Sure.
It is.
And Kalamalka means many colors or something.
Okay.
Indigenous
Lake of
language.
many colors.
Oh. Oh my God.